Hey guys, Menchi here. Today I'm going to show you a track. I decided to make a copy of a track by Dimitri Vegas in Diesel and Zion called Don't Stop the Music. I heard this track on Tomorrowland 2024 and by the way I saw Vin Diesel on the scene. It was really amazing and I didn't know the title of this track and I thought why Vin Diesel, but then I got a promo from the label and I see, oh, Vin Diesel, okay, and I guess he made some phrases in this track.
Don't stop the music.
Something like that. And as I said, I decided to make something like a copy. So let me play some parts of this track because I don't want to play the full track because we have original vocals here and YouTube don't like it and block this video in some countries. Then I should cut some parts of this video. I don't like it, honestly, and maybe we will review some parts of this track. By the way, the full track you can listen to, check the link in my description. Also, I'll upload MP3 and the project to my Patreon and Boosty. You can easily find and listen to every part, every stem of this track. So the track sounds like that.
Don't stop the music.
No, nobody, no, don't stop the
So it sounds like that, and let me explain what we have here. We have separate stems. I used AI for separating these stems because I wanted to know maybe some parts of this track, something like more closer, and it really helps when you want to figure out how the track was made. It's really helpful, trust me. I decided to use just a vocal stem here to make something like a copy, as I said. Of course, it's not 100%, but I tried to make it really closer. So we have here the main project here, yeah, something like that. We have something like sidechain switcher. Let me explain. If you watching to this video for the first time, let me explain. I'm using Kickstart for the sidechain. For example, we have fourth channel for all these brushes, and we have brushes in the breakdown and in the drop, and I decided to divide them something like we don't have sidechain here and we have sidechain here. It's something like an automation, really simple automation, but it works like a switcher. As you see here, we don't have something. Let me show you. It's something like we don't have this kickstart working, and we have it on and on the drop. Yeah, something like that. So we have drums. Let me show you how it sounds. And we have shaker in the breakdown. The rhythm section and the drums sounds something like with the swing. It's effect with the moved parts of the rhythm section to the right. It's something like maybe UK house, maybe two-step garage. You can hear this effect there, but I really like how it sounds, really groovy. Yeah, and it sounds like that. So we have here bass section. It's something like 808 bass. I really like it. I found it in Serum. And we have other bass line on this bridge. Sounds really tight. I like it. We have something like noise, maybe some like shaker. Because if we hear the drop, it sounds like a percussion or something. I really like it. Then we have this section, this drop section. We have two type of this instrument. This is brass. Yeah, and we have additionally this layer of string. As you see, it sounds just with higher notes, but this brass sounds like a chord. Yeah, and these two sounds, these two instruments are really cool, sound together. Also, we have variation of the melody. Yes, something like that. And also we have third type of melody on the drop. It's really last part of the second drop. Sounds like that. We have something like FX, something like we have the same instruments but with a lot of reverb and delay to make the atmosphere like that. Also we have this brass in the breakdown. And I heard it in the original track, something like a transition FX, transition part in the build-up, something like we have the melody, we get something like a sliced melody, like that. Yeah, I decided to use automation for reverb. I used a lot of reverb, and I decided to make automation of the volume, something like when you have a lot of reverb, the sound will be higher in the volume. Of course, I wanted to compensate it using this volume for this reverb, something like that. And also we have another one build up. Yeah, we have something like a string. Just one note string in this breakdown, but here we have something like a chord. Yeah, also we have in this bridge part, and in this part I decided to use it. I don't know why. I didn't heard it on the original track, but I decided to use it there. It's something like arpeggio. This is my texture. Yeah, also we have vocal part.
No, nobody, no.
It's from the stem separator. It's a vocal stem, and we have some affixes like snare roll, impact. Also we have these clap affixes. Yeah, and we have this riser. Yeah, so the track sounds like that. It sounds maybe a bit simple because it has just one melody using these brushes, but the main thing here is the quality of these brushes. Of course, I didn't make it for 100% because I don't know how this track was made, but I tried to make something closer, something between original and my genre maybe. I decided to use Nexus. As you see, there are a lot of Nexus here. By the way, I'm using for my videos a lot of Serum. I have other channel and other speak other language there, but these videos are more detailed. Yeah, and I explained there why I used Nexus. In a few words, it's I don't know, maybe it's more easier to find brushes in the Nexus. Yeah, something like that. So please tell me, what do you think about this track? I don't know, maybe you saw Tomorrowland, maybe you want to make something like a tutorial of the track from Tomorrowland. I don't know, let me know in the comments. So main show was here. Bye bye guys.